Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, look, we have a boy here again. He can't not be here. So I hope you guys enjoy me doing my makeup with my boy here. Today we're going to be doing another lip swatch video, which I'm so excited about. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've been getting so many comments from you guys saying that you aren't getting notifications when I do post a video, which we can all tell because my views are not what they used to. So make sure that you hit the notification bell. Now today, this is kind of like really fitting because last year, literally on June 19th, I posted my original Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color video, and today we have the shade extension. So Rimmel sent me this bad boy with the nude shade extension, and look at my photo here. Isn't this so cute? So we're gonna put all of these on my lips. Now there is an eyeshadow palette, which if I was intelligent I would have also put on my eyes, but we have like a rainbow motif happening right now, so just go with it, okay? This cat is he just can't get enough. He can't get enough. So the shtick with these are, if you haven't seen my original video, it'll be linked down below. These are smudge proof, waterproof. They have a 12-hour wear, full cover color with one swipe. I really liked them for a liquid lipstick at the drugstore, and they're a reasonable price point as well. Like, he has special needs. Boy. These are kind of ordered from lightest to darkest in this box, so that is how I'm going to put them on. So let's get these puppies on my lips. First up, we are going to put on Raw Embrace. There is 706 Raw Embrace. This is a nude with a very strong yellow undertone I'm seeing here. It's like, it doesn't make my teeth look too yellow, but I feel like it makes me look dirty. That's my personal opinion on this. Also, I'm gonna say, I know that the other ones, it was like marketed as like one swipe. Not that this one is necessarily, they've kind of taken that verbiage away from here, but this one is not one swipe and full coverage. It did take me a little bit to build it up, I think, just because it is such a fair tone that it just wasn't like full pigmentation. But anyway, that's Raw Embrace. Next is 705 Stripped. All right, there is Stripped. This one is super patchy. Like, I cannot get it even for the life of me. What the hell? Do you guys see that? It's a really pretty color. Like, it's a nice nudie peach tone, but it's so patchy on my lips. And like, I don't have dark lips. I have the whitest lips around. Oh man. The thing is, when it dries a bit, then you can almost like layer it on. Oh my god. And it's thick, but then it's so thick on your lips. Oh man, what the heck? I like this color, but not the pigmentation. Next up, we have the shade MWAH, and I really like that name. I think it's like such a cute little name. There is MWAH. Now this guy, the pigmentation of it is like 1000% better than the previous two. I don't even know what was happening to those previous two. It was almost like the oil in it wasn't quite mixed with it and it just needed to be mixed. But this, it feels like completely like one swipe and it's done. Like the pigmentation is there. I really like this color. It's kind of like true nude, but it has like almost a slight muted pink in it, which I think that's what makes me really like it. Like, I really like this color on me. Hey. Anyway, so that's MWAH. I approve. I think Boy does too. He's like right here. Do you see his tail? This name is super cute too. This one is called Vanilla Lovin, which it's like, that's such a cute name. It just reminds me of like a birthday cake or something. There is Vanilla Lovin. This one is a peachy nude. The pigmentation on this one isn't the same as the originals again, so I don't really know what's happening. It's like I feel like the pigment just, it's not high enough in it, like the cream to like pigment ratio, it's just not there for some reason. Like it's pigmented, but then it's like patchy when it goes on. It's really confusing. I don't think it's really reading on camera as patchy as I see it to be in person, but it's not like pigmented like a normal liquid lipstick. I don't know. The color's pretty though. Here we have Raw Kiss. I don't know why I said it like that. I think I'm just getting weirder and weirder. Anyway. There is Raw Kiss. The pigmentation on this one, was a little bit better as well. This one hasn't completely dried yet, so excuse me. But this is a nice like peachy pink. I feel like it's maybe a little brighter in person than it comes off on camera. I like this one. I like this one. This one's not bad. Next we have Strapless, and I feel like I'm really gonna like this color. Just like looking at it, it's just like me. Let's put her on. Ugh, you guys, this one is beautiful. Not only is the color gorgeous, but the application of it is stunning as well. See, this is how I remember the originals, like full pigmentation. I don't know what is happening with those ones that I previously just put on, but this is what I remember. This is the good stuff. This is what it's about. This, can you tell I'm happy? Okay, anyway, it's a beautiful like muted rose tone. It's really pretty and I'm really living for this. It's like a natural lip tone. Like when most people are like, I want a nude, I'm like, bitch, you don't want a nude, you want this color. That's what this is. And I love it. And it dried down so fast too. That's what I really like about these. Dry down time's fast. Anyway, Penny. Next we have Troublemaker. I think I'm gonna like this one as well. Wow, that is stunning. It's like a plum tone, but it has a little bit, it's like more brown plum. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I really, really like that. Wow. I'm like speechless. I don't know what to say. This is gorgeous. I love it. Pigmentation, flawless. We're halfway through and now we're getting into some beautiful brown tones. This one is called Love Bite. I really like the names of these. I think they're, man, I wish I could like, my job would be like just coming up with names. But like my cat's names are Baby and Boy, so like maybe that isn't the best like job for me, but I also feel like I could just troll people really easily. Anyway. Damn, that is so beautiful, you guys. The pigmentation of this one is stunning, and I'm kind of upset that I started with the lighter tone now because I feel like those ones are just kind of like not giving the best impression of these lipsticks. This is stunning. It's like a nice terracotta tone. How beautiful. Next on the roster is Scandalous. There is Scandalous. I'm not really loving this. It's like not my #1 pick. It's not bad, but it's like, it has a very yellow tone to it. So I feel like someone with more like caramel to their skin, it'd be more stunning on. It's not bad on me. It's just not my #1 pick. But anyway, there's a Scandalous. I really like the name of this one. It's called Plunge. Let's put it on. think Plunge is officially my favorite shade that, well, it is my favorite shade that I've come across already. I love this. It almost has like a hint of lavender shade to it, like a little splash of purple in there, and I think that's what really attracts me to it. And I'd be lying if I didn't say that these kind of remind me of the NYX lip lingeries, like all of the tones, which I love those. So like I love this as well. Like I'm living for this. This color I will 100% wear again. Plunge. I knew I'd like you, little plungy. Here we have Lethal Kiss, and I'm already seeing a little bit of a grayer tone here. And look who's back. Back again. Boy is back. Oh, I think the light is too bright for his little face. Oh, my boy. Okay, let's get Lethal Kiss on me. There's Lethal Kiss. I absolutely adore this one as well. It's a little bit like edgier, and I'm so glad that they're like entering these like more unique shades into the drugstore. I love it. This one I feel like I can almost see through a little bit as well. Maybe I just didn't apply it properly. I mean, that could very well be it. So we're just like slapping these on my lips. I love this color. Hey, here is Urban Affair, and like I think I'm gonna like this one as well. Let's just put the Urban Affair on, shall we? Oh my god, I'm in love. Like I'm actually positively in love with this. I'm done. I don't need to try any more on. Like I'm sold. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what's happening over here, it was my birthday on the 11th, on last Monday, a week ago, and I ate like a cake, and I just like broke up from the sugar, so we're just like enjoying that right now. Anyway, this color is so beautiful. Muted dusty rose with like a very muted tone to it, and it's literally my life. Like I'm living my life through this lipstick right now. Not much else to say about this, but new favorite lipstick right here. Literally. Up next is the shade Trust You. There is Trust You. This is a beautiful shade. I really, really like this. Beautiful burgundy. But again, all of these have like a, almost like a powdered like color to them, where it's just kind of all like muted. I feel like that's the word of the video, is muted. I love this color. You know when you're like on Pinterest and you're like looking for like ox blood colors and like burgundies for fall? I feel like this is the color that I've always wanted but never been able to find. Hey. All right guys, we've reached the end. The last one, which is the darkest shade, is called Devotion. There is Devotion, beautiful, deep, dark plum, like borderline black. I'm not gonna lie to you, this one I had to play around with a little bit to get it like full pigmentation on my lips and fully opaque. And I will give you a little tip. When you're applying these, don't, like I was about to do, don't press your lips together and try and mess it around and muck it up and try and do a little lips together. What is this called? Like press your lips together, smudge, what is this? Like rub your lips together kind of, it's not happening in my brain right now. Anyway, don't try and do that, because if you do that while it's drying, it's just gonna stick together and it's gonna be a mess. So just let your lips dry. So there are all the shades that I swatched for you guys. So the pigmentation on pretty much all of them except for those three, so it was Vanilla Lovin, Stripped, and Raw Emotion. Those three, was it? Yeah, those three. Those were the ones that the pigmentation was a little bit sketchy and a little bit off. Maybe it's just the formula I needed to move it around in the container. I'm not really sure, but it just wasn't really up to par with what I've seen in the past and what I've seen in the other shades in the shade extension within the collection. As always, my lips are on fire. I should like start to frame these, to be honest with you. I have like them all saved from all my lip swatch videos. Should I frame them? Should this be my new art on my walls? What do you guys think? Like, that'd be like hilarious. But anyway, those are the swatches for you guys. Let me know which ones you've purchased in the comments down below, or which ones you want and need to get your hands on. You already know my favorites, so I'm just kind of like predictable at this. Predictable. Why is my brain not on today? Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Boy. What would I do without my cutie boy? There, now I can kiss you. You're so cute, my boy. Now this boy here, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with a boy? Hey, what are you gonna do with a boy? You're just gonna, okay, so. You let me know when you want me to let go. Never. He never wants me to let go. Look at his face. Oh, my boy. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay, boy.